In front of me is Motorola Moto S50 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by holding your device's display and tapping on any of those themes to apply a perfect one for you. When you finished, hit save and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to adjust some sections of your theme or all of them, go into settings, hit personalize over here and adjust, for example, font style, icon shape, and even colors. When you're ready, just go back. If you want to change your theme to the default one again, hold your screen, select the default, tap save and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!